Hey you guys, so I just decided to unbox my Red Iguana shipment with you all. I got the hand. I got what else did I get? I have no idea what this is. I kind of forgot. I guess we can just start opening it. How does it open? Oh, this is cute. It's like a magnet. And it opens like this. Oh, they give you a little ring. They have a 5% off code. That's cute. Oh, their packaging is so cute. Oh, so, wait. Oh, so I guess this is the hand. Okay. So yeah, I ordered the fingers. I did not want to order the full hand just because I don't do the thumb. So it didn't make sense for me to do that. Inside it just says, thank you for choosing our Red Iguana silicone practice hand. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see your creations. And that's their website. And if you want to put it back, it's magnetic. That's super cute. I got the I can't remember what they call it online, but it's the bendable one. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like this hand. You guys, this is what I'm going from. I'm going from this $7.99 practice hand, which I really think my hair store overcharges for that, because I've seen plenty of other YouTube videos and they say that this is like $3.99, so whatever. On to bigger and better things. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited to practice with this hand just because of how realistic it looks. Like, I love it. I'm just scared I'm gonna mess this up. I'm scared I'm gonna mess the cuticle part up, because I am a beginner and I probably shouldn't have ordered this so soon, but I like to think that I'm getting a little better, so yeah. And you know, actually, this is the stand for it. I forgot. I did order a stand, so okay, first thing, let's get this out the way, at least for a second. The little cheap rings are cute, you guys. Blow out. Okay, so this is my stand. So I'm guessing I just clip it to the table and then clip the other piece to, let me lay it down for you guys. That's what it's looking like. So I'm pretty sure I clip, let's see, do I have instructions? Definitely does not have instructions, but I mean, I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory, so let's see. Oh shoot, this is like super, see how I clip that? And then, oh, it's just new, so it's making a lot of noise. And then I guess I just do it like that. Oh. Yeah, you definitely have to play around with it and adjust it how you want to adjust it, but is pretty much, I really, honestly, I should have got the short one, because I really don't need it to be this darn long. It's okay. It is okay, because we will figure it out by any means necessary. I think that's pretty cool. I can mess with this. It is wiggling a lot though, which I don't like that. But whatever. I guess a real person will wiggle a lot and move a lot. But yeah, that's how that goes. As you can see. And what else did I get? I got 2 more things, you guys. Oh, another ring. And I got a practice finger, which I'm probably gonna use tonight because I just went to one of the nail supply stores that you don't have to have a license for, because I do not have a license yet, you guys. I'm definitely a beginner. I started like a month ago, so definitely a beginner, but I'm gonna practice with this color, and I have a cute design in mind, so hopefully it comes out. But yeah, I'm just probably gonna practice on this finger right here. Look how realistic it is. Super, super, super realistic. I love it. This one is not, I have to look up the name. I have to look up what it's called to tell you guys. They have 2 different ones. One is, what is it called? Y'all, it's really bugging me, and I'm using my phone to record this, so it's not like I can just exit out. Their packaging is super cute. I can just exit out and look for it, because I don't want to mess the video up. But yeah, I didn't order any. It's really linty. It has a lot of lint on it, but I feel like you can just use some tape or whatever to get that off. But yeah, I got that. Put the little ring on it. How far back there? Are we like supposed to put the ring right there, or should it be back there? Like, how are we doing this? I don't know. I feel like it should be up there. I feel like that's cuter. I mean, it's not cuter than my ring though, but you know. Okay, moving on. This video should not be this long. And the last thing I got was, I just got some, I didn't know how I was gonna do these, but then I just looked on YouTube and saw some other YouTubers, and they just slide the tips in and keep it as that. But I think I'm gonna slide the tips in, and I'm also going to stick them down, just because of the filing. I don't want it to move too much and mess me up, since I am still a beginner, and I need all the help that I can get, you guys. So I got the clear ones. I did not get the beige ones because I didn't want beige. Like, I didn't want you guys to be able to see the beige, like, through the tips, I should say. But yeah, that was it, you guys. That's literally all I got. Here's the receipts. I guess I can show you about that and this out, but yeah, here's a receipt. Altogether, it was $145, I believe. But of course, I used the promo code. I think they had like 10% or 20% or something off on their site when you first click in and sign up. And I also just used Zip. If you don't know about Zip, please go ahead and look it up, because honey, when you're really not supposed to be spending money, that will make you feel like you're not spending money. So you go on Zip, and Zip is kind of like, it used to be called Quad Pay, but Zip is kind of like Afterpay, but you can use it on literally any site that you want to use it on, not just sites that take Afterpay. So yeah, definitely the plug. Definitely look into it. If you don't want to spend money right away, but you need stuff right away, that's definitely the plug. I think I only had to pay for my first payment like $30 or something like that. I don't know, you guys, but yeah, definitely is definitely lit, and I'm definitely excited to try all my stuff out. I have some eye gel beauty acrylics coming, so I really want to wait until those come to do a full hand, just because I want to do something a little dramatic, since I can finally do a little something. I did these, and I know they're not the best, you guys, but I'm learning. I honestly feel like I do other people's hands like my hands. This, y'all, this was not it. I tried, and I did a few, you know, let me show y'all. I did a couple. These are all my practice nails, and one day I'm just gonna look back at these and be like, oh, what the fuck? Because yeah, I just know I'm gonna get bomb at this, and I'm gonna be killing it. But yeah, y'all, that was it. That's all I ordered from them. I might do a little swatch from iGel Beauty. I honestly don't have a problem with iGel Beauty. I just look at reviews first, and after I see the reviews of what swatch is nice and what doesn't, I just go and get the ones that swatch nice. Like, if y'all, you know, that's all you have to do. I know a lot of people complain about ones that are that marble on them, but all you gotta do is watch YouTube and look at the reviews, and people will tell you which ones marble and which ones don't. So yep, but that's it, you guys. Hope to see you next time. All right.